How to create a forum. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a forum, configure forum settings. Let's start from the My Courses page. Forum creation. First, select the course that you would like to add the forum to. Switch on edit mode, then navigate to the section of your choosing. At the bottom of your selected section, click on the Add Content button. Click on Activity or Resource. After the menu opens, select the Forum option. Let's begin by filling out the basics. Add in the title of your forum and a description of the topic or discussion. If you would like to display the description on the course page, check the box. Below, you can select the type of forum you want to create. In this tutorial, we are going to use the standard format. Next are the availability and attachment settings. This is where you choose whether you would like to apply a due and cutoff date. Click the checkbox to enable, and select your time. Note that the time is in the 24-hour format. You can either use the drop-down menu or the calendar to select a date. If you would like to set attachment constraints, adjust them to your preference. You can change the size limit, number of attachments, and display a word count if needed. Subscription mode can be used to notify students of new posts made to the forum, and read tracking is used to highlight posts that are unopened. You can also choose to lock discussions after a certain time period. A post threshold can be set to block students from making a certain number of posts in a time period. After choosing the duration, you can type in the number of posts a student can make before receiving a warning, and the number of posts that will block them after the post limit is exceeded. Forum grading. We will now add grading criteria to the forum. Let's take a look at the whole forum grading and ratings sections. In the forum settings, these are the two available grading methods. Ratings would allow you to grade individual posts within a forum, while whole forum grading allows you to grade an individual's participation in the forum. Note that using both methods would result in the students receiving two separate grades for the forum. Therefore, you should only apply one. The whole forum grading system has two types available: point and scale. Select point and type in the maximum grade that can be obtained. Choose your desired grading method and category, and enter the grade required for passing. You also have the option to notify students of their grades. If you select scale, you will have to select your preferred scale and fill in the other categories the same. If you do not want to use the whole forum grading option, you can set up the ratings method. To enable ratings, click on the drop-down for Aggregate Type and select Maximum Rating. Keep the type as point and set the maximum grade. From here, you can also choose the category in the gradebook for this grade item, and you can also set the grade to pass. In the Common Module Settings tab, you have the ability to change the availability, enforce a language, or add groups for students. You can add restrictions if you wish to do so. Completion conditions. Let's add requirements for completing this activity. There is a list of completion options available. Select any that you wish to use. Click on the Add Requirements option. If you choose the Receive a Grade checkbox, make sure that it matches the grading type you set up earlier. You also have the option to set completion at any grade or a passing grade. There is an option to enable a reminder for students at the bottom. If you are satisfied with your forum, click on Save and Display to make sure everything is formatted to your liking. Now you can create a forum, configure forum settings,